Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about page and section breaks, page numbers, and columns. My name is Eiley Cummings, and I'll be guiding you through this tutorial. In this video, we will discuss the difference between a soft break and a hard break, insert a hard page break, insert columns, then a column break, and add page numbers. If you'd like to follow along with the instruction, find the start file bundled with this module and save it as your own. Page and section breaks are useful tools that help keep documents organized. They help clearly indicate where one section of a document ends and another begins, and are often used in books and other printed materials to indicate the end of one chapter or story. Page numbers help readers find sections quickly from the table of contents and are used in almost all printed materials. Columns help increase the readability of documents and are often used in magazines and newspapers for that purpose. There are two types of page breaks: hard page breaks and soft page breaks. Hard page breaks are inserted manually and won't change if text is added to or removed from a document. Soft page breaks are the opposite. They're added automatically and change if text is added to or removed from a document. Let's see them in action. Here, we can see a soft page break. The text fills the first page of the document and continues onto the second page. If we add text, we can see changes happen. It's the same if we remove text. Now let's insert a hard page break. To do that, place your cursor somewhere in the text, then click on the Insert tab. Go down to where it says Break. Hover over Break, then in the menu that appears, click on Page Break. All the text after your cursor jumps down to a new page. Adding text on the first page doesn't change the text on the second page, and if we add enough that it starts a new page, the text after the break will be bumped down to a new page again. To remove a hard page break, place your cursor at the start of the section after the break, then press the backspace key on your keyboard. This removes the formatting and places the text at the end of the previous section. Now let's insert page numbers. To do that, click on the Insert tab, then click on the arrow next to page numbers. There are a few options of page number styles. You can do page numbers starting on the first page at the top or bottom of the page. You can also do page numbers starting on the second page at the top or bottom of the page. Click on the option with the numbers starting on the second page at the top of the page. The numbering is automatically added to the document. Now let's insert columns and column breaks. To do that, highlight the section of text that you want to be in columns, then click on the Format tab and click on the arrow next to Columns. Choose how many columns you would like. I'll choose 3. The text you selected is automatically formatted into columns. Now, automatic formatting is great, but sometimes it puts things in strange spots. For example, there might be a section header that you want at the top of a column, but it's at the bottom, or there's the first word of a sentence at the bottom of a column. To fix those oddities and make the columns easier to read, put your cursor in front of the text that you want in a different place, then click on the Insert tab. Click on the arrow next to Break, and then click on Column Break. This moves the text to the top of the next column. Once you've got the columns arranged to your liking, it's done. In this video, we learned the difference between hard and soft page breaks and inserted a hard page break. We also inserted page numbers. Finally, we inserted columns and column breaks. For more information about Google Docs and other computer literacy topics, visit our website at weber.edu/clc.